Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to create a drop-down menu in your Shopify store. Drop-down menus help organize your navigation and make it easier for customers to find products, collections, and pages quickly. Let's walk through it together. On the Shopify dashboard, to create a drop-down menu, we just need to click on Online Store. Once here, we need to edit the theme. On the header, we click on the header section. This is where the menu is located. Next, we select the menu type as a drop-down. Now we click on this menu and then click Edit. We will now create our drop-down. We need to click Add Menu. Let's name it Sample Drop-Down. We will link this to a page. Then we add another item called Sample 1 and another one called Sample 2. We will link these to orders. This is just an example. Now to set up the drop-down, we drag this item under Sample. And again, we drag this one under Sample as well. So as we can see, we now have a 2-item drop-down. We can also add one more item, like Sample 3, and link it to orders. Then we click Save. Once we are back, let's refresh the page so the menu we created appears on the store. As we can see, we now have a working drop-down with Sample 1, 2, and 3. We also have another drop-down available. That is how we create a drop-down menu in a Shopify store. A well-structured menu improves navigation and gives the store a more professional look.